making a store run. He already cut the bolts. That was quick because the wall is off. Walking over to the hardware store. Today's George Price holiday as well. It's a pretty sweet bike right there. Hey, do you have any more of these?
I have to get this for you. How many?
They don't have any more here. So we're just gonna end up putting one for now. Now I always try to make sure I have backups for my backups, but I ended up using one the other day, so I messed up big time right there. Battery died on me, on us again. So that's what we got done today. So this corner of the slab is high. It sags down all the way down, so this seems to be about half an inch too high, so we gotta rip the bottom, take it off, rip half an inch or 3/8 off, and then reset it, because the seam line, the joint lines aren't lining up. They lined up here, but the slab is high somewhere. So we put back one there, so we got to put 2 more in here, or 3 more in this wall. There's one where we took out there. Remember to hydrate. Get fluids in you. Same thing here. We gotta do the same thing here. Clip the back side to drop it down. But then the lines, the seam line up there won't line up anymore. Another day. The day zipped by pretty fast. It's already 12 noon. I gotta take a break before I head south. Hype us up. Big us up with like, shares, comments. And remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Check out about section. We have things that you can sign up for and partake in. Membership is also available. I might walk up the street and go get some soup for lunch. Today was a long day. I got here just before 6 a.m. and I didn't crank up and get started and get going until like 6:40. Good luck. I decided to take a second to just gather my thoughts and cool off and calm down. I almost forgot my hat. Just enjoying the moment, chillaxing, cooling out, taking a little me time.